Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days have been just crazy to think that not that long ago the price, was all the way down there, and now after today's close, the price is all the way up there. So let's get some levels of support and resistance here mapped out. First area of support is what I'd call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $8.25, that would make the chart look insanely powerful, but by no means is that a muscle level. So if the price drops below $8.25, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. It's just the level that, like I said, would definitely be, the best case scenario. If $8.25 can't hold, next level to keep an eye on down there at about $7.90. And then after $7.90, next level right there at approximately $7.50. So those would be the 3 areas of support. From a broad scope of things, keep an eye on that purple line down there. I realize it's totally irrelevant right now, given it's way down there and the price is way up there. But that is a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that level is going to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But as it stands right now, keep an eye on those 3 near-term levels of support. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, we have a good problem. I'm going to have to continue to scrunch up the chart here like this. There we go. And we're going way back into the chart's history. See, did it bounce directly off that or not? Let's see. Pretty darn close. So the next key level up there at $8.55. That's a pretty important level. Back here, you can see this acted as support, and a foundational rule in charting is when levels of support are broken and closed below. So right there, you can see that level was broken and closed below. They tend to act as resistance. And like I said, didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree got right there pretty darn close. So I'm not saying 855 is impossible to break or anything. Just saying that, it makes sense why the price struggled right up around that area. After $8.55, next key level of resistance up there at $9. So no doubt about it, past couple of days, very nice. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, then the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.